Hi, my name is Mike Ross, and I'm the founder and CEO of CraftFunnel. So today we're gonna go into Goa level and then see their AI features. So if you are using Goa level, you probably know about it. They have launched this offer, and this one is valid until the December 31st, right? So basically, they're gonna give you these AI tools to try for free for this 1 month, right? So you can use voice AI, conversation AI, reviews AI, funnel and website AI, content AI, workflows, AI assistant, right? So we're gonna go through this, each of these features and each of this AI tool in this channel, and then we're gonna, uh, you know, use them practically and go through them some practical examples, right? So today we're gonna just go through this AI funnel and see how we can actually create an AI funnel easily in Goha level, right? So to do that, we just have to go to sites, and from here hit new funnel and then click on funnel AI, continue. And then I'm gonna give a name of my business. So for example, let's say and then say fitness center, right? So here I'm gonna choose a category. Business to, what I actually want, right? So do I want to generate more leads or get more appointments? Let's say I want more appointments. I'm gonna choose this one. And then content should fill. So there are a few options. So these are only a few options that you have, right? So they are not so many options, right? But if you give you start. So I'm gonna go with persuasive and then hit generate. So this is gonna take about 2 minutes. So I'm gonna pause the video and then come back. So it took about a minute or two, right? And then it created this AI, landing page. So you have this landing page with all the, a few features or sections here. You can see this is the headline and great call to action, right? And then which things you can see. Right, so obviously colors and the images are not that good, but you can definitely change anything that you want. So right from here, you can change the logo here. You can, upload your logo and then you can click here, right? So you can change the images if you want. You can change the colors. So let's go here and then change the color to this. Let's see how it looks like. Yeah, black looks black colors here, right? And then probably for this one, we have to make all the text go white. There you go. So I've just took a minute to change the colors. Now you can see it looks different, right? So you can probably, keep on optimizing these things, and then it will, gradually it will look better. So it will only take probably 30 minutes for you to make these changes, right? And then again, if you don't want any more or don't like any of this, text here, you can just come here with the AI and then ask for improve writing, and then it will, improve the writing for you, right? So you can see here, you click here, improve writing. Yeah, replace the text, right? Just like that. So you choose here, and then you can, let's say, I'm gonna do make shoulder. Let's see, what do we get? Yeah, let's improve it. Okay. So yeah, you can play with the text here like this, and then you can change the images as well. You can use the AI to generate images, right? So you can just click here and then go to it, with AI, and then you can give it a description of the images, and then it will generate an image for you, right? So this is how you can play with this, right? So these are the AI features for landing pages, or you can use this one for website as well, right? Okay. I guess they're shapes. So let me know if you have any questions, or if you want to see something, or if you have any, visions. I will definitely try to create a video for that as well. Thank you very much.